Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to transfer a domain from GoDaddy to Wix website or to a Wix account in 2024. So we're going to show you how to transfer your domain. Of course, this step-by-step guide will make the process very easy and super easy. So stay tuned and follow it step by step so you don't get lost. So make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave for you, can use ones, and then make sure to go to GoDaddy.com. So GoDaddy.com and open a new tab and go to Wix.com. Make sure you log in into your both accounts, GoDaddy and Wix, both of them. And of course, for me, as you can see here, I'm already logged in. I'll just show you an example. If it's your first time, basically, you'll be taken in GoDaddy to this page. Kind of the same page. You'll have to go here and click, of course, in connects. I don't know why it's here in French. And for Wix example, you have to click on login and log in into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll be able to create a new account using Google, Facebook, Apple, and Wix. And I guess it's going to be the same for GoDaddy. As you can see, so Facebook, Google, if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating, even logging into your account. So for GoDaddy example, first of all, you'll need to unlock your domain in GoDaddy if you don't have one already. Basically, you can just go here to domains and click on search for domain names. As example, if you don't have one already, then simply look for whatever domain you want to have in here. So example, something like that. And you can simply just go once you have it, to go and click on make it yours. As you can see, for this one's going to be cheap for the first year, but you will have to get like at least 3 years to get this cheap, so 0.001. For me, as example, I already have a domain, so I'll just go here to my account and click on my products example, and this should take me into my website, or sorry, my like products, where I'll find the domain that I have. As you can see, so in this domains, as you can see, I have this domain right here. For you, of course, make sure to get your own if you don't have it then already. And then, of course, you will need to get yourself authorization code. And this one, you will basically find it. You'll once you go, of course, to my products and go to domains here, go to the domain that you have. If you have multiple, just locate the one that you want to transfer to Wix, and then go and click on manage on that specific one. Once you click on manage, you'll find yourself with another page. As you can see, a whole other page in here. So just wait for the page until it loads correctly. And in here, as you can see, you can do a lot of stuff. So you can connect your domain. As example, if you want to just connect it to a specific to your Wix site instead of transferring it, you can do that. As example, just click on connect my sites, and basically you'll be able to connect it right away. As example, you'll have just to choose your site and connect into it. As you can see, you can even forward it to any site, or you can simply just go to this list panel and click on transfers to transfer it to this example, move domains to GoDaddy from another registers, or this move domains to another GoDaddy account. As you can see, you have two things, but we don't want any of those. We want to transfer this domain from GoDaddy to Wix. So how can it be this done? So as an example, if we go here to Wix, I'll just go first of all and select like a random site like this one. And let's just wait, as example, a little bit. So here, as example, we can go and connect a domain. And this connects domain example. If we go and type like example, the domain that I have, let me just go and type it here. I guess it's .online. If I was not mistaken, then click on let's go. Let me just go and check again. It's probably like online, but let's just check. So this page, it's loading like slowly, as you can see. So as you can see here, we have like what domain do you want to connect? As example, this one, click on let's go. And an example is already taken. Is it yours? Yes. If you own this domain, of course, which is what we have, we'll have to go and click on yes, I own this domain. As you can see, if you already purchased this domain and want to use it for your Wix site, you'll have to claim it by clicking on below. But as you can see, for Wix websites, you'll not be able to do it unless you have a premium plan to connect your domain. If we go to upgrade button in here and see as example how much this premium plan costs, as example, the premium plan will be one of those plans as example. So the cheapest one is a basic plan, and it's $12 per month if you pay yearly. If you pay monthly, it's going to be, I guess, 16 if I'm not mistaken. And of course, you'll get a 14 days money back guarantee if you didn't like and choose an example to refund. Of course, you'll get also all those like features, like a free domain for years. So, example, if you still did not buy a domain yet, don't even go buy it, and you're just gonna need this in Wix. Don't even buy it in GoDaddy. Just go here to Wix website, and all you need to do basically is select this, and of course they'll give you a free domain that you are going to choose. And even if you try, as an example, to get your own domain, so if we go back here as an example, or we just go here and type as an example a domain, or as an example, yeah, here it says it gets it. As an example, if we click on buy, as you can see, it will be like expensive. So $32 if we get it for 2 years. For 1 year, it's $17. So it's better if we just go and get a plan. As you can see, of course, if you pay monthly, it's going to be $16, not 12. Just keep that in mind. And yeah, that's gonna be basically it. As I said before, if you want, as an example, to just connect your site as we did before, just go back to portfolio in here to connect a domain. And of course, you'll have to look for Wix as example. So which is here is it. I'll just click on it, and all I need to do, log into your Wix example, click on the website from the premium sites shown as example. So if you didn't have premium site, you'll not be able also to connect it. Keep that in mind. And then enter the domain name, important select pointing, add the connection method from the menu at the bottom page, click on confirm in the information box, and the system will find the domain to be from GoDaddy. Click on confirm yes, it's from GoDaddy. Then scroll to step 3 and 4 on another page and copy a record and a CNAME. And all you need to do is enter them right here. Of course, that's basically how you can connect your site or your Wix site to or GoDaddy domain. Other than that, to transfer it like to Wix, normally you will need a plan. So other than having a plan, you will not be able to transfer it right away. So you either have to go and get yourself a plan, or just don't get like a domain if you still didn't buy it yet here from GoDaddy. Just go and get it from Wix, buy it, or get a plan which will give you a free domain name already by its own. So I guess, yeah, that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.